Just finished shooting here at Flinders, Victoria. Just in case if you want nice places, like if you want the big cliff and everything, you can come here at Flinders, Victoria. There's a spot here wherein you can take photos, you can take videos, and it's fun. Today we did a bit of shoot, and the sunset's gonna be around 8 p.m., 8:30. Still 7, so we'll wait around an hour and a half, and that's too long for a wait. So I just said, yeah, we'll just go home and skip the sunset because the sun's not really coming up. It was a bit cloudy, and now that the sun's going lower, the light's changing, and it's looking like it's good. I'm a bit spewing, but anyway, should be fine. We got the photos that we have. I'll be heading out in a few, and I'll drop some files to Marlon, and yeah, we'll start more of the vlogs. I'll try. G'day guys, just finished shooting here at the Flinders, Victoria, and I'm bringing this like a reporter or something, but I'm trying this out for good audio. And yeah, I'm here at Flinders, Victoria, and just finished shooting a couple there. Didn't wait for the sunset because it's a bit cloudy, but I'm seeing a bit of good sun, but I'm happy with what the photos earlier. Yeah, so just finished shooting a couple, and if you're somewhere here in the eastern side? Yeah, I think it's the eastern side, southern eastern side of Victoria. You can just come here at Flinders, Victoria. This is a good spot here. There's a cliff, though I have this feeling like it's been overused lately by us. So I'm looking for new places where we can go. And yeah, and the reason I'm repeating this is I want to compare this with my A7C II, which is my favorite camera. It's a good photo camera, and it's a good travel camera. The only thing with this Osmo Pocket is that, yeah, it's stabilized. Like I can track my face. I can go here and do that, and you've seen that in my previous videos. But yeah, so let's see how this footage goes. I'm gonna go back to my A7C because I miss using it. But anyway, this is just a sample, just for us to compare. I'm even looking at the screen. I should be looking there, but anyway, yeah, that's it. It was cloudy earlier, and now the sunset's so good. I mean, I like it, but I'm heading home because we just finished shoot like an hour earlier, or like I don't know. It should be fine. That should be fine. Yeah, the sun's like giving me that yellowy and a bit of haze. You can see the light in my face. It's tricky when you're a photographer because sometimes you get good light, and there are other times also that you don't get good light, and you have to work around with what you have. And I wasn't expecting sunset to be this good. Anyway, yeah, doesn't take out the things that's good with the shoot today, but it just, yeah, could have just done it. But it's an hour, like today's summer, so sunset's gonna be around 8:30, 8:40, or nearly 9. So we can't wait that long. We started shooting at around 3. I think we started shooting early. So it's either way, it's fine. I got my shots and nothing to cry about. But yeah, just putting that in the sunset's good. Sunset's good. I started this vlog without knowing how to end it. And now I'm heading home, and I'm pretty sure nothing's gonna happen after this. But I should end it. I don't know how to end it. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. Yeah, I just want to pick up a camera and start filming again and do a bit of edits. So, yeah, that's your motivation. Try it and try to upload it. So I'll try to upload this tonight, even though I still have a lot of backlogs for my vlogs. I still have a few that I need to be uploaded in this channel, which are, again, getting old. I don't know if anyway, I'm just gonna post them, and yeah, just enjoy vlogging, enjoy filming yourself or whatever, filming anything, doing videos, doing how do you say, they say doing films. Just doing videos, man. I'm just filming myself talking, but yeah, just call it videos. It's not like, I don't know, just being, I don't know. Anyway, I gotta stop talking and I gotta head home now. See you again next time. Yeah, I don't know when it's that time, but I'll see you again. See you around. Cheers. Okay, and these are my shots for today. So yeah, enjoy it or not, whatever. Like, subscribe. Take care.